Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll talk about sales funnel template. So there are 62 templates at the time of recording in this page, and you can literally get any type of funnel just by clicking on this, but you need to follow some procedure before doing it. And if you want to learn about how to build such type of funnel, that then you can simply click on these videos, simply click on any video and make it big and start watching this video. And in this video there will be a total tutorial on how some funnel are made. So in this video let's see. Okay, let me see where is the exact funnel. Okay, here it might be. Okay, so if you want to get this type of funnel, then you can simply come and click on here and you can get that funnel. But before that you need to sign up for ClickFunnels 14 days trial. And once you sign up in this platform, then after that you can simply click on this, grab this funnel, and it will be automatically loaded inside your ClickFunnels. And you can see all the tutorials that Russell Brunson and Jim Edwards have taught in this video to build it even by yourself inside ClickFunnels. Okay, so I am into today day 20 of my one funnel away challenge, and yesterday and today was catch up day. That means we need to complete our pending task of this week one, I think, not week 2. If there are any pending tasks, then we need to complete this. So for this 2 days we are in catch up day. Now if you don't know about one funnel away challenge, then this is everything you need to know about sales funnel. It will teach you how to create sales funnel. It will teach you what elements are extremely important, like hook, story and offer. Similarly, Epiphany Bridge story, Epiphany Bridge, your origin story. And there are lots of psychological things that are used inside the funnel that are truthful but essential to use inside sales funnel. Those things are taught in this one funnel away challenge. Additionally, they will also teach you how to drive traffic, how to spy on things that are already working and that are already able to earn money by using sales funnel. So they will teach this one funnel away challenge is everything you need to know about building sales funnel, driving traffic, and each and everything that you can do with funnels. Now you can promote your own products, or by using upsell, downsell and OTO, or you can promote affiliate products in a proper way by using email marketing, by building lists, and by using sales funnel. You can also use sales funnel for capturing the leads, email address of people, by offering something for free, which is called lead magnet. So if you want to learn all these types of things, then you should join one funnel away challenge. It costs you $100 and it will be worth investing. But if you just simply want to build a sales funnel, then you can simply make an account on ClickFunnels. I will leave all the links in the description of this video. You can simply click on that and visit to these sites, and you can start your 14-day trial. You can fill the information, it is so easy to follow, and then you can come to this page. That I'll also leave the link of this page, and you can simply come and whichever funnel you need, eyelashes extension funnel or beauty products funnel, whichever you need, you can simply click on grab this funnel, and then it will be loaded inside your ClickFunnels account, and then you can edit according to your choice. You can use your own domain, you can do everything. This funnel is going to be yours, and similarly you can see any funnel that you need. And lastly, again, If you want to learn everything about sales funnel and you want to scale your business by using sales funnel, then one funnel away challenge would be best for you. So I am into the 20th day of one funnel away challenge, and I am absolutely loving this story. Sorry, this one funnel away challenge. This one funnel away challenge, because it is teaching me each and everything that I need to know about succeeding with sales funnel. So I hope this video was somewhat helpful for you, and if it was helpful, please do like this video, and if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll bring more interesting video like this and even more better in upcoming days. I'm just starting now. So take care, have a nice day, bye bye.